Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. We're in the garage today for what's cooking with the bear. Been out here working, decide what the heck, you know, I got hungry, and so we're gonna fire up the grill. But it's not any old grill. This little cheapo Dollar Tree grill. I won this a couple, I don't know, 2-3 years ago at a benefit dinner that we were having it for the fire department, and I mean it's nothing special. It's a nice little grill, but I was out here working, like I said, and decided, hey, why don't we go ahead and fire that thing up and give it a test run? It come with everything. It come with the it come with the tongs and the flapper there. So I got some stuff in the kitchen that we can get hooked up and start cooking. So yeah, give me a minute to get the coal started, and we'll gather up the ingredients of what we need to cook, and we'll give this thing a whirl. All right, y'all, we got the coals lit there, and today we are using the Royal Oak all natural. Never used these before. Usually I'm a Kingsford kind of man, so we will give this a whirl and see how it tastes. Sure, it'll taste pretty good, but hey, never know till you try. So, all right, I'm gonna let this get lit. I'm gonna go in the house and get the stuff ready to go, and we'll bring you back when we get the stuff cooking. All right, y'all. Here's what we're gonna be cooking today. We got some good old standby regular old hot dogs. We got some Eskridge bacon and cheddar smoked sausage. This is just regular smoked sausage. Of course, we got the foil pack back there with the taters, and I threw some slices of smoked sausage in there just to kind of flavor up them taters. And then we're going to try something new. These are Ballpark. These are pre-cooked hamburgers. Some of them are the beef and cheddar, or beef cheese and bacon patties, and then these are just the beef patties. Now, I have tried these, and they're pretty good if you just throw them in the microwave or in the skillet, warm them up. Great, quick little meal. We're going to throw them on the grill and see how they cook up on the grill. So, that's what we're cooking today. I'm going to finish getting that foil pack wrapped up, and then we'll get out on the grill. So, hang on. All right, y'all. That charcoal's lighting up nicely. Been a little bit. We're going to go ahead and do the beverage of the day. If I didn't mention earlier, it is Memorial Day weekend, and who doesn't like a good beer on a nice holiday while you're grilling? So, if you guys can see that, we got the A&W root beer out. So, wait for that grill to get warm, and we'll get those victuals thrown on there. All right, y'all. It's only been about 10 minutes, and I spread them charcoal coals out. This stuff feels like it's a little bit hotter than the Kingsford, so we're going to go ahead and throw that rack on there, let it warm up, and we'll get our meat and stuff put on there. So, give me a second. We'll get all set up. All right, y'all. I threw that foil pack on there because, well, it takes a lot longer for them taters and stuff to cook than them hot dogs, and those hamburgers are pre-cooked. So, I'm going to go ahead and throw the lid on this, and we're going to let that foil pack cook up for a little bit. Then we'll throw the rest of the stuff on. So, here we go. We're cooking. All right, y'all. We got the all the dogs on there. We got the smoked sausage, and foil pack still cooking. We're gonna let that stuff cook up a little bit, and then we'll throw them burgers on there. So, hang on. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right, y'all. If y'all can see it, but we got some smoke showing. Means we're cooking. So, I'm gonna pull the lid here in a second, and we'll flip them suckers over. Oh yeah, y'all. Look at that. They're all plumping up good. Let's see if we can't get them flipped over here. Oh, hey now. Hey, we lost a sausage. That's not good. These cheapo tongs aren't hitting a high note with me yet. Oh yeah, we got some cooking going on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See if we can roll these hot dogs. Oh yeah. Cooking up nicely. We're gonna move that one there to the center. Must be a little cool on this corner down here, so. Alright, got them flipped. I'm going to move these around down here. I think I'm going to move them up towards the center more. We're going to put our burgers down across this bottom edge here, so give me a minute. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all. A lot of them hot dogs and stuff were done, so I took them off. And before y'all come at me for burning my hot dogs and stuff, my sausages, it's the way I like them. When I cook for you, I will cook them suckers up any way you like them. Me, I like them with a little char on them, so a little bit more on them back there, and we got the burgers on. We'll flip them over here in a second and we'll be eating, so give me a minute, we'll get back to it. Alright, y'all, if you can see that there clear enough, but them ballpark burgers are cooking up pretty decent, so looking good to me. We're about ready to take them off, and then we'll go in and get us a plate, and we'll bring you back for a taste test. Alright, y'all, there we go. We got a couple of the burgers there. I got our sausage with cheese, smoked sausage with cheese, our regular hot dog, our regular smoked sausage, and of course them foil packed taters, one of my favorites. So let me get this camera turned around here and we'll do a little taste testing. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna start out with them taters, that smoked sausage. That's some good stuff right there. I'm gonna take a bite of the smoked sausage with cheese. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah. Yeah. Doing good. Of course, the old staple, regular old hot dog. Always absolutely fabulous on a hot day like this. Now we're going to move on to the burger, and I put a little hot pepper cheese on there and a little bit of mayonnaise. I believe this is just a beef patty one, so that's pretty good. I mean, for a pre-made hamburger, pre-cooked, that's not bad at all. You know, if you're in a hurry, you know, or maybe you're out at the park or something, and you know, tailgating or something like that, and you just want something quick. Yeah. Now this is bacon and cheese one. Yeah. I have to say that's pretty good too. So, of course, gotta wash down a little bit of beer here, you know. Good old cookout ain't nothing without a beer. So, all right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Now this is kind of a silly one, but that little grill did pretty dang good. And that Royal Oak charcoal, I think it is hotter than that Kingsford. So we're going to use the rest of that bag. Of course, we'll use the bigger barrel grill. We'll test her out, and I actually do. I can taste the difference in it too. So, but yeah, there you have it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it, and hope you guys had a great Memorial Day. And from here at the Polar Bread compound, as always, bear appetit. Thank y'all.